Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between lush green hills, there lived an old man named Fakar with his three sons, Imran, Omar, and Ali. The family was respected in the village for their honesty and hard work. Though they were not the wealthiest, they were always willing to help others, and their home was filled with laughter and love. As the boys grew older, each son began to develop his own interests. Imran loved farming, Omar was drawn to business, and Ali had a passion for learning and teaching. While they all respected their father, they began to grow distant from each other, each focusing more on his own ambitions. One day, Fakar called his sons to him, sensing the growing tension between them. "My sons," he began, "I have something important to teach you." Fakar asked them to bring him a bundle of thick wooden sticks. Once they had gathered the sticks, he tied them together with a piece of rope and handed them to each son in turn. "Each of you, try to break this bundle of sticks," he said. Imran, the strongest, tried first. Imran pulled with all his might, but the bundle did not break. Next, Omar tried different angles and tricks, but the bundle remained unbroken. Finally, Ali tried his best, but even he could not break the bundle. Fakar smiled, seeing that they had failed. "Now," he said, "untie the rope and take the sticks one by one." The three sons quickly untied the bundle and began breaking the sticks. Each one snapped easily. Fakar looked at them with loving eyes and said, "Do you see, my sons? When the sticks were bound together, none of you could break them. But when they were separated, each one could be broken easily." He continued, "Imran, you are strong and capable, but without the wisdom and guidance of Omar and Ali, your strength will go to waste. Omar, you have the mind to manage things, but without Imran, your plans will never grow. Ali, your knowledge is invaluable, but without the hands of your brothers to help you, your wisdom will remain just that, wisdom, not action." The three sons listened intently, their eyes reflecting the truth of their father's words. Fakar continued, "Together, you are like a strong bundle of sticks, indivisible and unbreakable. But divided, you are weak and vulnerable. The strength of this family lies in your unity, your ability to work together." From that day on, Imran, Omar, and Ali understood the deep truth their father had shown them. They started to work together, combining their skills and strengths. Imran taught Omar about farming, and Omar shared his business strategies. Ali, the scholar, helped both of them understand the world more clearly, teaching them how to approach problems with wisdom. Years passed, and the family became known not only for their hard work, but also for their unity. The village flourished because of the family's collective effort, and their story of unity spread far and wide. When Fakar grew old and eventually passed away, the three sons continued to lead the family with the same bond of unity. The legacy of their unity lived on, not only in the strength of their family, but in the entire village that had learned from their example. Moral of the story: unity is strength. Alone, we may be weak, but together, we are unbreakable.